What's up, everybody? BitcoinJake09 here with another video. Just gonna go over EpicDice. So this is actually built on Steam also, much like the last video I did with Next Colony. Like I said, I do love my blockchain games. So this one's just a simple, dice bet game. If you noticed, I have this going on down in the corner. Here, let me make it so you can see this a little better. See these? I got these rolling in on the corner. That's because I have a Python script running, processing the transactions to the blockchain, or propagating, I guess, and trying to have it, do my bets for me. So basically what it's doing is it's betting one Steam at the lowest payout possible, highest win probability. So at that point I'm getting 100 Epic tokens per a one Steam bet. Also, if you can make it up on the leaderboards, you get more tokens. So right now I'm sitting at 25 extra 1,000 tokens, and you don't even have to just play to get them. You can actually get them on Steam Engine, which is a decentralized exchange. So I buy them up on here also sometimes when they get cheap enough for me. But there's a lot of activity here also. The other thing you gotta look at is that they will be having a halvening soon. We're almost halfway to the first halvening at 5%. It will be halfway at 10% will be the first halvening. Every 10%, so it'll be 50 Epic tokens after that. But like I was saying, this just kind of sits there and goes. The only thing you gotta worry about is your resource credits. So you need a lot of Steam power to actually run something like this. If you don't, you might just want to have a larger start balance and maybe just do a larger bet. Let's get over to the code over here. So I got it on my GitHub. It's EpicBot. Basically, you put your key in here. You put your bet amount if you want to do above. Here's the setup for below. You can't just basically, like I stated on the README, just be aware of EpicDice's limits. Like, you can't bet more than 100 Steam max, or win more than 100 Steam max, technically. You can't even bet that much. And you can't bet like above 5 or less, or below 96 or above. So, like, you just have to be aware of that. It does use a lot of resource credits, so if you want to check your resource credits, you can do the Steam World with your name, and that'll show you how much resource credits. See how it's like currently still using resource credits as it's going. But if you need more, just power up some Steam. And it's a pretty simple script. It just kind of runs on a loop, just every 4 seconds. So every time there's a new block, basically, it'll just run that command. And yeah, that's basically it. An EpicDice script. That's EpicBot. I'll be updating it sometimes. Like I eventually want to be able to read the blockchain, so I can see if it's a win or lose, and do things based off that. So, but we'll see how it goes. If you like, do what you need to do. Peace.